Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi again, I've got a haul video. It is a jewelry haul. If you're already following me on Instagram, you're already seeing my reels on it because I had to post something there, guys, and I saw this as an option. Like, why not? I have few of the hauls also online. It's just that my phone storage is full, so yeah. Anyways, I don't want to talk too much, but I would like to let you know these are all under budget. I think I have around nine things to show you guys from Meesho, which should be mostly below 300, except two or three are over 700 rupees. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Let's get started with the first jewelry. This is my most favorite of the haul. It is this. I'll put its price somewhere here. I think it should be around 300 rupees if I'm not wrong, or it should be lesser, I don't know. But this earring is so gorgeous. Can you just look at that masterpiece? Like the gold, the white pearls, beads. I love the length of it. Tell me which girl doesn't love a earring that's just long and pretty and wow types, okay? That's exactly what this earring gives me. I don't know what you talk about earrings, but just look at this. Look at the detailing. For its price, it's literally amazing. Can you look at that? I love it. Don't get me started. I already wore my Christmas dress and this earring, and it's like, top tier outfit. Anyways, that's it for the first earring. There's no more, not this, anyways, nothing much to talk about earrings, so we can keep going fast. Now, for the second item of the haul is this particular earring. Very pretty, right? Its price also is very pretty, guys. This costed like around in 700 change, which is very expensive for this earring. I don't know what's that special about this earring. For it to be 700 rupees, but I just let you have a second and hear the sound of the earring. Isn't that sound so pretty? I don't know. I just love that sound and it's so pretty. But I had to return it, guys. I felt it's too much for the price. It's not worth it for the price. 700 for that earring is not worth it. At least I think. Let me know your thoughts on it. I don't prefer having earrings of 700 rupees and stuff for that. If I leave the price aside and I had to rate it, I would rate it definitely a 10 on 10. Very pretty earrings. I don't know. I really love the combination of gold and green. 300 भी चलता है, 400 भी चलता है, 700 थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ही हो गया यार. So I had to return it. But if you like it, go ahead and buy it. Anyways, you know the links are in the description. Just tap on it and just get it, guys. Because I felt the quality is really good. If you really are okay with the price, you can go ahead and buy it. I would give it a double thumbs up for me. Moving on to the third item of the haul, which is this earring set. Okay, can you see the price and the earring set? You're getting four earrings for under 200, or yeah, if I'm not wrong, it's under 200 rupees. Four earrings, which is not bad at all. And it is this oxidized kind of earrings. It comes in this packaging. It's called Okay, it comes in this packaging. It's called Oxycraft. Yeah, cute. One, two, three, and four. These are like very daily wear earrings, which is not bad. I'll anyways, I've already worn them. I'll show it to you in the screen. You can see how it looks. It's not bad. It's very daily wear earrings and very aesthetic pleasing earrings. I just like the deal that four earrings for that price is really good, and the quality is also really very good. I love the packaging it came with. Everything is just so good about this. So if you really like it, you can get it. What do I talk about next? Wait. The next item of the haul, I think it's the fourth item of the haul. It is this particular earring. I don't own any earrings like this. It's very different taste than my what I prefer, but the quality is really very good. I liked how it looked on me, but I feel I cannot wear this with most of my outfits. This earring is a very pretty, and I would say the quality is also really very nice. It's not the cheap quality that if it falls once, it's going to break. It's really good because I'll tell you why I said that. Because while I was shooting this video, I dropped this earring so many times. Like really, I dropped it like so many times, but nothing happened to that earring. That earring is perfectly fine, guys. I would give a 7 on 10 for this quality, but it's usually not my type kind of earrings. So, talk about.
Guys,
What do
you
I
can see
talk
how it
about
looks like.
earring, guys? That's all I have to talk about the earring. Let me know in the comment section if I'm making my next jewelry haul what I talk about the earring, because that's all I can ever think of talking about this. I kind of feel this earring looks very UFO alien pyramids wala vibe. I know I sound stupid, but that's what it gives me. Anyways, moving on to the fifth item of the haul, which is this earring. Can you see in the picture how pretty that earring is? I felt okay, it feels very bling bling and all that. So when I got this earring, it definitely is like the picture, but the quality is not like the picture. I'll say why. Because if you see in the video, yes, it has a bling bling, it looks very pretty, and you can see it shine, but the stones are of cheap quality. Yes, obviously for the price you're going to expect that, but yeah, or the stones are a bit of a low quality, and I feel that is going to pop out anytime soon. I feel the stone will just start coming out. So if you're fine with that, you can go, but I would suggest no. Even if it is like 200 rupees, it has to be worth 200 rupees. This was just very bad quality, guys. I would not suggest you to go for it. You can find much better dupes of that. Go a bit higher price if you want to and get the proper one, because this is really not worth it. But if you like how it looks in the video, you can definitely go ahead and buy it. I have no problem. It's left up to you guys. I feel if the stones would be stuck more properly to the earring, it would have been worth it to keep the earring, but I didn't feel it worth it to keep the earring. Talking about earrings, these are the 5 earrings I bought from Meesho. The rest are chain sets. Okay, it is all sets, guys. So this first set, okay, I don't have the proper video with me because I returned few of it. The chain set I'm talking about, one comes a long chain and another one a short chain, okay, with earrings. Okay, guys, this is a picture. You can see how, like, what I'm talking about, right? Now, the long chain is fine. The quality is horrible. I will show you the video, just wait. The short chain, trust me, I took it out of the packaging. It's stuck. Okay, and I'm trying to open the chain, it's not opening. Like, the designs are stuck to each other. I tried to open, I didn't want to break it, otherwise I can't return it. Okay, and it's just gone waste of money. It's just going to be waste of money. I tried my best, sat patiently. It didn't open, so I let that piece be there. I didn't want to touch and break it. The long chain looked very pretty, but it looks too fake, very fake. Okay, to be honest, this is. I shot a video with it. This is how it looks. Can you see the video? I'll just put the video here. I know, it looks a lot of jewelry, but I tried it. That's the long chain I'm talking about. Very pretty, guys, but I didn't feel it's worth keeping it. It didn't it feels too knuckly. Okay? But if you are fine with things looking like that, you can go ahead and buy it. I don't have much to talk about it. When I saw it in the picture, I felt attracted to it, but when it is in front of me, I was not that attracted to the chain. The way the gold looked and the green and pink gems here and there, I felt, I imagined something probably. That's why I was not that satisfied with the product. But it's okay, guys. It still looked pretty in the end when I got dressed and all that. But yeah, the other chain set is this. Isn't this so pretty? Yes, this is just a chain set. It has like this double chain with a locket and also earrings, okay? Earrings, I didn't wear it in this video, or yeah, I'm wearing the earrings in this video if I'm not wrong. That's the earring of this chain set. Now, if you look at this video, I'm not wearing this chain as a chain. I wore it as a netichuti. What do you call it? Otherwise, what do you call, guys? Mangtika? What do you call it? In my language, you call it netichuti. I wore this as a jewelry piece for my forehead. Can you see just how pretty it is? So, you know why I got this idea? Because when I was putting the chain, it just got stuck here. And I looked at myself, I'm like, damn, That is so freaking pretty. I was so amazed by it because also you can attach, it has that adjustable thread. So I adjusted to my forehead and then I just put it inside my hair, in between my hair, and I closed it. And no one will ever know that is a chain because can you see the design of that? It's just so beautiful. It's just so pretty. Can you see like how beautiful that gold looked versus the previous gold? This one was worth the money, worth the price. It gave very royal vibes. It's just so beautiful, guys. I would, if you're ever wanting to buy a chain set and you had a vision something like this, just just go for it and buy it. It was really worth the price. Moving on to the next item of the haul, which is this. Okay, it is so pretty, and trust me, I received the same exact thing. I mean, seeing the smile on my face is so evident that I actually got the same exact thing. So this also comes with a earring and a chain, and I really love choker chains, and it's so pretty. You can see how it looks in the video. I just wore it with a random red dress which you've already seen me wear in my previous videos. I just love the choker, okay? It's just so pretty and it's like all pearls and stuff. I had a chain similar to this, but then toot gaya guys wo. Or this is such a good replica. I mean, it's not exactly the same, but it is almost very similar. This is the adjustable thing I'm talking about. So there'll not be any fitting issue. Can you look at that? This is so pretty. I just love it. It's so lightweight. And its earrings are very similar. Earrings looks similar to something like this, which is not bad. I really love it. And it is so worth the price again. I would rate this 10 on 10 actually from my end. Moving on to the next item of the haul. It is a whole set. Whole set in the sense I'm not saying only chain and earring. It has earring, chain, two bracelets, three rings. The ring is here, guys. One is hidden under this. Can you see? Yeah, one, two, three rings, and a nose pin also. As you can see, these are also oxidized earrings. You can see it in the video here. I've shown everything in the video. Very, very, very beautiful set for that price. Incredible to get something like that, and the bracelet is like adjustable, so you do not have to worry about your hand size and stuff. I love this whole set. It is the most beautiful one. Yeah, guys, I don't think so I have to talk anything else about the set. So if you're trying to find something very affordable and you want bracelet, chain, earring, nose pin, everything in one, this set is totally worth it. I didn't know it's coming with bracelet and all when I was ordering. I don't know what I saw and I ordered, but yeah, it was totally worth the price. When I saw this price, I'm like, damn, that is less for how much I've got. Okay, so the last item of the haul is this picture. It is a chain set, which means a chain and a earring, and I really love this chain set for its price. I told you I just have something for green and gold. I don't know why. I just feel it's so royal. Is it just me or you guys also think that? Can you look at this? Okay, the earring is similar to these lockets. So it's very similar earrings you get. And it's so pretty. You can make it like a choker and wear, guys. This one. Okay. You have already seen this in my previous chain that I was showing in this video. The short chain I'm wearing is this one. Very pretty. It's so lightweight. It's so manageable, durable, everything. The quality is also so good. It's not like, see, I'm literally pulling this. It's not gonna fall anywhere. It's like, so good. And the price is also so affordable for this. I love jewelries like this. It's better than going to a dukan over here and, spending like 400 rupees for it. So, this is so pretty. Imagine putting this here again. I don't know. I kind of like things like this. It's just so pretty. Can you look at that? It's so pretty to wear this way, guys. Anyways, my whole hair. So yeah, guys, if you're thinking about the giveaway, there is a giveaway, and the giveaway is this. The set, earring set, guys. The 4 earring set is for you, one of you guys. All you have to do to win the giveaway is like, comment, subscribe, and follow my Instagram. And Yeah, I'll select the winner after 1 week of posting the video and I'll announce the winner on my live. So do not miss it. Please ask your family, friends, to support, follow me so I can get more haul video for you guys. And just spread positivity, okay? So yeah, guys, that's it for my today's video. I really hope you like today's haul. And there are many more hauls coming up. There are like clothing hauls and stuff like that. Do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you very soon with a new video coming up. Till then, take care, stay safe, and stay healthy. Bye.